How to download videos from Coursera. All right, we're just going to follow along with the step-by-step guide. It's pretty simple. We're going to use yt-dlp for this tutorial. And if you don't want to do the manual steps, I will show you an extension you can use at the end. So, step 1, go to the page, the lesson that has the video that you want to download. Step 2, actually step 1, right-click and inspect. And click on the network tab. All right, cool. Yeah, right click, inspect, network. Make sure you have preserve log enabled. Then you can just refresh it. Sometimes that helps. You want to see a bunch of stuff fly in here. There we go. Next, we need to find the MP4 that's in here. The easiest way is to go up to the filter and type in MP4. That will help narrow it down a bit. If you click on one of these, you can see it ends in MP4. And if I toggle back and forth between the two, we're looking for the request URL. These are actually the same, so it doesn't really matter which one I click. But just so you know, that wasn't helpful. Just so you know, MP4, click on one of these guys. You're looking for this request URL, and you can tell that you're on the right one because the content type is video MP4. Also, it ends in .mp4. You are going to copy this request URL, and then you're going to open a terminal. Let's go back to our steps. Copy the URL and use yt-dlp. So this is what you're going to type in your terminal. Let's go do it. yt-dlp quotation. Paste the link in and put a quote. And press enter. Now you can see here, there's our video. Simple as that. This was an easy one. And that's all there is to it. Now, if you don't want to do this manually for each of the things, I have created an extension called the Coursera Video Downloader. There will be a link down here. There will be a link all over the place. Click it, get the extension, and you can simply click on the extension, and it will allow you to just one-click download from any page that you're on without having to do all that codey nonsense. Either way, good luck, and let me know if you have questions.